Hello, my name is Old Man PHP. I create PHP video tutorials for the old guys who want to learn a new skill, compete with the young crowd. This is video 78. This is going to be a short one because I just want to show you how to use the hamburger symbol for the mobile device. All I'm doing is actually using JavaScript. It's all going to be included. I know this is not a JavaScript thing, but I just want to show you, okay? So what happens is you're looking at this as in a desktop, but once it becomes a mobile device, see, you get the hamburger. That's what the hamburger means. Then of course you can open it up. There you go. And when you finish, you can close it up too. But that's it. You open it up, you use it. That's it. See, you go back to the desktop. We're done. Okay. Just wanted to show you that. Remember, I'm going to put this in the description. I'm going to call it Study Hamburger Menu PHP, and I'm going to do it as a TXT, and I'm also going to show the JavaScript. It's going to be .javascript and the TXT. That's all I have. Until next time, a good night.